Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image on System.io. This is a fundamental skill that'll help you customize your sales funnels and make them more visually appealing for your visitors. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to System.io. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After you've logged in successfully, you'll land on your system dashboard where you can access all your tools and settings. Now, direct your attention to the top toolbar. Here, you'll want to navigate to Sites, then from the drop-down menu, select Sales Funnels. This section houses all the funnels you've created, and it's where we'll be working today. From your list of funnels, click on the specific funnel where you want to upload an image. This will open up that funnel's settings and give you access to its pages. Once you're in, look over to the right panel and click on Edit Page. This action takes you into the page editor, which is where the real customization happens. In the left panel, you'll see various elements you can add to your page. Find the image button and drag it onto your canvas. This creates a placeholder for your image on the page. Now click on the image you just dragged to select it. When it's selected, you'll see additional options appear in the left panel. In that left panel, navigate to Image File. Right beside it, you'll notice an Upload button. Click on it to begin the upload process. A window will pop up, and from here, click Upload again to open your file browser. Browse through your files and select the image you want to upload. Once you've found it, click Open. This brings the image into System. Finally, click Insert to place your chosen image into the placeholder you created earlier. Your image should now appear on your canvas, ready to be positioned and styled as needed. Now, if you ever want to change an image you've already uploaded, the process is just as straightforward. Simply click on the image that's already on your canvas to select it. Then, in the left panel, navigate back to Image File and click the Upload button beside it. Click Upload once more to access your file browser. Select the new image you want to use and click Open. This loads your new image into the system, then click Insert to replace the old image with your new selection. The change happens instantly, giving you complete control over your page's visual elements. Once you're satisfied with your image placement and everything looks good, head to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Save button. This ensures all your changes are preserved and will be visible to anyone who visits your funnel. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to upload and change images on System.io, giving you the ability to create more engaging and professional-looking sales funnels. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.